Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by inventorying what matters. List the exact tables, APIs, and files you will use, and pick 3 to 5 primary KPIs to drive decisions. Once done, map each KPI to the source fields and choose Refresh Cadence so your dashboard stays current. Connect your data pipeline next, extract, transform, and load with simple scripts or a connector. Make sure to select an AI approach that fits scale and latency needs. This early choice shapes feature engineering and model integration. Now you focus on the hard middle work. Create features that capture trends and seasonality, normalize values, and impute or flag missing data so the AI sees consistent inputs. Then integrate the model, set up an inference endpoint for real-time scores or a batch job for nightly updates, and validate outputs against a holdout set. Meanwhile, design visuals that match each KPI, pick appropriate chart types, add interactive filters and drill downs, and tie visuals to underlying data for traceability. You finish by deploying the dashboard to staging and running acceptance tests with real users, then promote to production when stable. Once live, set up monitoring for data drift, model degradation, latency, and how users interact with each widget so you can prioritize fixes. Make sure automated alerts route to the right owners. If something breaks, isolate the pipeline stage first, ingestion, transformation, model, or UI, check for schema drift, and replay historical inputs to reproduce and fix the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.